Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to make slow motion video in your iPhone 16 plus smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your camera, click on this slow motion. Now just click on this and you have to do this to make it slow motion. Now just click on this and this is how you can make slow motion video. You can see how slow it is. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.